Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to allow application to use our photos in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. To allow our app to our photos, we have to go to the settings, then security and privacy, again privacy, and here in permission manager we are looking for photos, yes, photos and videos. Right now 5 out of 24 installed apps has access to our photos. So let's add more. Chrome allow access to our photos, and as you can see, Chrome is now on the allowed list. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.